Dear Boston Avenue. Today is Thursday, January 5th, 2012.
My name is Aaron, and this is Megan and Isha. We hope you had a happy holiday season and are ready for a new semester.
Please rise for a Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's weather is a little warmer than yesterday's. The high will be 67 degrees and the low will be 41 degrees. There will be no chance of rain all this week.
Lunch for today will be sloppy joes. We will have coleslaw, baked beans, and chips on the side.
Please check lost and found table by the auditorium for any lost items we might have.
Thanks for watching your morning announcements.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.